Ever wondered how AI is getting better at solving math problems? Not just memorizing answers, but actually understanding them. It's not magic, it's smart training. Today, we're breaking down how researchers are teaching AI to think like a human mathematician, and why this could change everything from education to scientific discovery. Let's start with the big question: why does it matter? Traditional AI models are like students who can recite formulas, but can't apply them to real-world problems. They might solve an equation correctly, but if the logic is flawed, they'll fail when faced with something new. That's where a breakthrough called self-aware weakness-driven problem synthesis, SWS, comes in. This isn't just a data set, it's a revolution in how AI learns to reason. Here's the twist: SWS isn't about quantity. It's about quality. Researchers didn't just dump millions of problems into AI. They curated a dataset filled with challenging, real-world math. Think geometry proofs, algebraic puzzles, and even Olympiad-level problems. But here's the real kicker: the AI doesn't just passively absorb these problems. It analyzes them, identifies where it's struggling, and creates its own practice problems to get better. It's like having a tutor that adapts to your weaknesses in real time. So how does this work? Let's break it down. First, the AI solves a problem. Then it asks itself, wait, did I make a mistake here? It reviews its own answers, spots gaps in logic, and generates new problems tailored to those weak spots. This process, called self-aware problem synthesis, isn't just about fixing errors. It's about proactive learning. Imagine a student who, after failing a test, doesn't just study the same material again. They create their own practice questions to target exactly what they don't understand. The results? Mind-blowing. Models trained with SWS improve by 10% for smaller models, and 7.7% for larger ones. Even more impressive, they solve 20% more problems they previously failed at. This isn't just academic fluff. Better math reasoning in AI could transform fields like education, where personalized learning tools could adapt to each student's needs, or scientific research, where AI could help uncover complex patterns in data. But here's what's even cooler: SWS is part of a bigger movement. Researchers are no longer just feeding AI more data. They're teaching it to think critically, to question its own assumptions, refine its approach, and grow smarter over time. It's the difference between a robot that follows instructions and one that understands them. Here's the technical kicker: SWS doesn't just generate problems. It includes a built-in quality control step, a peer review process for math questions. The system runs checks. Is the problem mathematically accurate? Can someone actually solve it? Is the difficulty level just right for the intended learner? It's like a checklist that says, perfect only when all those boxes are ticked. This ensures problems aren't just generated, they're educational. So the next time you see an AI solving a complex problem, remember, it's not just crunching numbers. It's learning from its own mistakes, adapting in real time, and getting smarter without human intervention. This is the future of AI, not just power but wisdom. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.